What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, starting this one out on Instagram. And today I'm going to show you how to switch between the different options within the Superzoom feature. So first, down here on the bottom, we want to swipe over to Superzoom. And you can see right there, once I switched over, it gave me the bounce feature. If I do it again, it does beats. It seems like it kind of just randomly gives you one when you swipe over. But if you want to switch when you're on this, see this little music icon between my face and the record button? You just want to tap on that. So you're going to get different options here. They might switch these out from time to time, put new ones in. So that was dramatic, beats, TV show, bounce. You just keep tapping this icon and it cycles between them. So let's do one of them and see what we get. Let's do bounce. Oh. I closed that out. So there's the bounce one. Let's try dramatic. This is like the standard one that goes and it zooms in. You probably can't even hear the sound on these because I have my headphones plugged in. TV show is just like a zoom with a purple. What's the next one? So beats is like a music one. So there's 4 options on here right now. They might switch these out from time to time. They might not. I don't know. But that's how you switch it. This little button right here will cycle between them. That's all I got for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Also be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on social media and mobile apps. I've been working on a lot of updates for the channel. Tap Lab 2.0 version 2 coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.